as always, we have a bed up above the cab here, which is always good for extra sleeping space. We do have some cabinets up above in the cab area, and they are pass-through, so that's kind of nice.
Not terribly deep, but...
No, but they're usable. Now, one thing I do like over here on the passenger side that I do miss having in our diesel is this desk area so that someone can actually do a little bit of work here while the other person is driving. So this is really a nice feature. I like this. Okay, they have 3 drink holders up front and 2 chairs, so I'm not quite sure, maybe one for the dog. I have no idea why there's 3 drink holders, but I guess you can have coffee, water, and juice.
Well, they have this nice touchscreen 10-inch radio.
Mm-hmm.
These are the controls. This is the new Ford V8 chassis. Nice stitching on the seats, you know, gray with red piping.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely nice.
A little post for
your table
here between the seats. These seats do swivel and face the rear.
Okay.
So let's go on here.
Okay, here we have a love seat, and it makes out into a bed. We have 2 cabinets above, as you can see. Very nice. Storage space. Yes, they pass through.
And there's a little cabinet over here.
Mm-hmm.
A little more storage here.
Directly across, you have your dining room area with a TV set, and you have your booth dinette with some storage down below. This does make into a bed, so you have an extra bed area. Moving on into the kitchen area, you have some nice space up here for your dishes, cups, whatever. The shelf is adjustable. You have your convection type oven.
Right, it looks like you've got a nice deep dish. It's like a 2-part stainless steel sink. And
right.
A 2-part propane and electric induction cooktop.
Down below, you got some storage for pots and pans. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets and a whole bunch of remotes. And let's see if they all are. Yep, they all do work.
And some more cabinet space here below.
Okay. Right here you have your toilet and your shower area.
So let's see the shower area. Once again, as you see, the frame is a little short. But once here, I feel like I'm on top of the world. Look how much space I have on me. Clean my teeth here. All right.
Okay.
We're easier to check out the business position here.
Okay.
See how that's like.
Well, because it's a pocket door, there's plenty of room here. We do have a cabinet below the sink. There's a hot and cold wooden lines. You have a little cubby here to put your reading material. You do have a cabinet next to the medicine cabinet and a nice big medicine cabinet here. And one more cabinet up here. And you see they have a full towel rack here, so you can actually hang a towel rather than the hook, so I like that. Okay, over here we have our refrigerator. Not full residential, but it's pretty big. Okay, moving on to the bedroom, we have a double bed. Go right ahead. So we have a double bed with 3 cabinets above it, and I believe they look like they're pass-through. Ooh, this bit's hard. Okay, yes, these are pass-through cabinets. You do have your 2 end tables like most coaches.
USB plugs on the side.
On the side, there you go. Across the way, we have our wardrobe. Okay, so we have, this is the table that goes up front, and we have 4 cabinets, 4 drawers below. And we have 3 more drawers all the same size over here, quite deep. Your TV.
Storage behind the TV.
And that's right across. Now the nice thing about this is it is a toy hauler, so we can come out here. Yes, it has a separate little air conditioner. Up here, you got space up there to store things. You have your TV, and you actually have 2 beds here that can be folded up. You can make an office back here. You can put a motorcycle, bicycles, whatever you want to do. This is just like space.
Plus you have the hand porch. All right, well, what do you think about this?
Well, if you give me a chair and a margarita, I'd be good.
Remember to open the doors to adventure
And start all your journeys with the Thervkeys.
Have a great day.